Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to another video with the FRENCHYBRO Team TV with me, FRENCHYBRO, and Sedos. How are you, man?
I'm good, mate. How are you?
Pretty good, pretty good. So make sure you stay with us today. We're gonna talk about Bitcoin, so about the chart, the analyze, so where we think the price is going, and where we're gonna place our next trade, the long or a short. So make sure you stay with us. We're also gonna talk about our VIP group, because we do have a VIP group, so where we are, because it's the end of the month, so it's good to talk about what we did and what are the results. And also we're going to talk about Mong, which is another shitcoin, so it's pretty good. I think I can see a nice pump with it, so make sure you stay with us. And I'm pretty sure that's it. So let's start straight away with the VIP group. So what do we do with our VIP group? We give our call and where we short or long, and after we give our stop loss, pretty much everything for trading Bitcoin or any other coin. So which is pretty good. And because it's the end of the month, we tracked all our result month by month, and we did a nice 16.75 R reward for the month of April, which is pretty good. So pretty much if you were risking $100, you will have made $1,675 pretty much. Depends of any like any members, you know, some people locked the profit a bit later, so some people locked the profit a bit earlier. But anyway, you will have been profitable in that group, which is pretty good. I'm pretty proud of it. I hope Sedos, you are as well. Because
yeah, it's definitely my friend.
Yeah, so it's pretty good. So yeah, we had 8 trade, guys, 5 win, 3 loss. So yeah, so hopefully May is gonna be better. At the moment, we are into a trade as well, which we're just gonna explain to you a bit later. But yeah, pretty good for the VIP group. And also we do have a promotion going on thanks to our BITGET, which is the exchange we trade on. So if you want to join the group or check it out, it's only $100 for the month of May, and we might keep going later to see how we go. So let's move into the chart, Sedos. So I'm pretty sure last time we did a video, we were at I think 29. We were just over here before the
we were sorry, just 1 second. I think that was just before the weekend, so it was Friday.
Yeah.
I think we were ranging like that was somewhere here.
Yeah, I think so.
Here,
yeah.
in this area.
And
yeah.
Yeah, so if you check our update as well, everything was explained into the update, which is following the plan pretty well, which we are pretty proud of. So we were expecting another push to the 29,800 area to grab the liquidity one more time before another move down, which we had. So we had a small trade on it. We didn't ride it all the way down, but we did a profitable trade, which is cool. And we dropped back down straight away to 27,671 approximately. Yeah, yeah, 27,600 area. Yeah, which we drop. And in that case, we were waiting for the Monday range to set up. So we had a nice big Monday range. And before we like waiting on Monday as well to see how the range play out, because it helps for us to see the direction of the market for the rest of the week. Up 1 second, there we go. And yeah, so as explained in our plan, we thinking we needed to take the Monday high again before we could see any short trigger coming out, and which we just had. I think we had like 3 times the Monday range, or like at 2 times.
Yeah. But no, happened yesterday, and we were waiting. Like I was waiting a bit longer.
Yeah,
it wasn't to get that other confirmation, and then came back this morning.
Yeah.
And so far, yeah, we've locked some in.
Pretty good, yeah.
It's all good.
Yeah, this is what I explained. This is what I explained yesterday on Twitter, which is pretty annoyed about it, because you see the first move, wanted to short it. The first move, missed it by a little bit, which annoys me. But this is why I explained on Twitter as well. I say any other descent bearish retest, we're gonna enter a trade, which we did this morning. So we tag another time the Monday high, and after we decided to short Bitcoin, which we are in at the moment. We already locked some profit. We already told the group to lock some profit a little bit, just in case we get another bounce. And after we
because it's a bit tricky. I might move on if I go here quickly. because it's not fully confirmed yet. We really want to go under this, and you see like multiple times we had the reactions on that level. So yeah, just better
so let's securely need some profit, and if we move back up and we got another confirmation, we're just gonna add up to our short anyway. So
sorry, Jesus
simple
Christ.
as that. But anyway, so now it's okay. So now the big question is where are we gonna go? So what are we gonna do? Are we gonna go back up, go back down? So and why we took our shot? We're gonna explain to you right now. Let's jump into the chart. And so Sedos, go for it. Explain to us what do you think the price is going? Are we gonna finally break the Mandela, or we're just gonna consolidate and just move back to 32K area? So go for it, my friend.
Thank you, FRENCHYBRO. So I was going back on the H1 a little bit here. So all on here and there. And my little pen. Okay, so first of all, so trade, why would you trigger the trades? Or we put something on Twitter, you can check it out, but pretty much we had a nice, so that's a big H1 order block just here. If you draw this and that one on top right here. Yesterday came one time here, not quite rich order block, got a nice rejection. That's as well your point of control. Just here, so you can see price comes, test it, move back down. So we were waiting, that was a confirmation. The price action to come back in. I wanted the mitigation of that order block, so which is almost at the 05 level of the order block. If you take a fib label from that from the top of the order block to the bottom, roughly that's here. That's your 0.5 level. Didn't quite reach, but in Confluence you got value area high just there, mid of the order block, plus obviously nice reaction back under the POC, which trigger our short to target. So that was, we really want that 29K level to be as SR flip. If it doesn't happen, we will surely go back up. So right now it looks good. It looked good, sorry. We can still, as I said, if we can manage to go back down and come retest this area, that'll be great. And as soon as we flip the 28.6, 28.8 level, we can look at lower prices. So that one first, and then Mandela. But right now, so we'll see until we get a bit more data
confirmation.
Nothing is done yet, because if we do manage to go back up and put Monday at support, then you're looking at, as we've been saying in the previous update, so you're looking at 30. So next supply zone 30K and 30.5. That will be the next one in line before I talk about 32. So it's like level to level, that one, and then that one just here.
But you can see the price is pretty choppy, guys, if you trade. So that's why we're pretty aggressive with our take profit as well.
Exactly. You cannot. In fact, if you trade, especially. When you trade,
swing trade pretty hard at the moment. If you look at the price action, guys, it's just bouncing everywhere. So just shorting and waiting for 12K is pretty insane if you want to do it. So you will make way more money. Just keep looking your profit, guys.
Christ. Keep sucking going on top. That's it. So that's where we are now. And then we just have to wait and see. So as you said, no big predictions. It's always level to level. So flip that 28.6, looking at lower prices towards Mandela, so to 27.6. If we can flip, so 28.6, go back up, put 29.5, 29.8 onto support, and we're looking at 30.2, 30.5K level at first, and then again flip 30.5. Then you're looking at range high, macro range high, just here at 32K. So that could be in play as well. Obviously, it's not going to happen overnight. We do as well have some news today later on, so we're surely gonna have some volatility coming in. So we'll have to wait and see what the market is giving us.
Sweet. So that's it for Bitcoin, guys. Nothing to add. We are already into a short, so we are prioritizing the short at the moment. So that's easy to say. And let's jump into Mong as well. So if you follow us, you would have seen we gave Mong into Twitter. We also we did just another new all-time high this morning, which is pretty cool. And we gave it into our group as well. So sometime when we find some shitcoin or cool nice gems to make a nice 2x or even 100%. We're giving to the group, so we do the work for you guys. If we find anything to make money, we give. We want everyone on it. Simple as that. So I'm pretty sure we at the dip. If you see the dip at the 49 CEDOs, we gave the Mong signal just at the 49 area. Yeah, just over here.
So
and we need.
Yeah,
so we bought just over here, and we did already 156%. Usually, if you do that, you can lock a little bit of some profit or take off the money you invest in and just let the bag ride. And but with the hype, so this coin, you have no point to short shitcoin, guys, especially that young.
True.
You have no point to short. If people love it and they hype on it and they FOMO, the price is gonna skyrocket. If people decide to change their mind, the coin is gonna crash in 1 second. You're gonna lose your money. So I prefer to be clear. You're just gonna lose your money straight away in 1 candle. So for now, everything is going well. Maybe in an hour we might lose all our money, but this is the risk you take when this type of coins. But if you want to make some nice 100x or 10x or 20x in this market on shitcoin, this is something is a risk you need to understand. You need to place some money and forget about it. So you put I don't know, like $1,000, $100, $500, depends what you like, even more. But you need to forget about it because you already lost your money because you put it into a shitcoin. So if you end up making money, good on you. That's it.
Just make sure you secure profit. That's it. If you want to play safe, lock some and then just leave a little bit. Don't
because we are not out of the wood yet.
Everything.
That's it. Yeah, I really want to get that Mong just skyrocket a nice big push to just be far away from our entry, and we will be safe then. But for now, not out of the way, so you can still drop back down. So, and especially I'm a bit worried with the Bitcoin at the moment. So we are not in a full bull market. So I will not. It's still risky to play with shitcoin, guys. But anyway.
Yeah, definitely.
Anyway, I don't think I got anything to add, my man. What do you reckon? Do you have anything to add?
No, that's all. Yeah, that was just a quick.
Yeah,
quick
just that's it. Yeah, a quick video of 10-15 minutes as always. It's hard to do less than that anyway. But yeah, so nothing more to say, guys. You got the Bitcoin, you got the VIP, you got the Mong. If anything happen and the market is moving, we're just gonna update you guys. But make sure if you want to get on time BTC analyze, join our free Discord, free Telegram, or follow us on Twitter. Cool.
That's it.
And until then, thanks Tedos, thanks everyone, and see you next time. See ya.